welcome to another edition of 60 Seconds with Femi Correct Pidgin Yannis. Now they do, and what will they look today? Now waiting they happen between Chelsea and their former manager, waiting they call Antonio Conte, because the man they para in say make Chelsea give them a remaining money where Chelsea they want, because or else if not say na court now then they go instead na 2 courts now go carry the matter go the court of arbitration for sports and employment tribunal. Instead Chelsea they earn 2 type of money. Instead Chelsea go pay 8.7 million for damages. Oh, but I don't know what Chelsea spoil. No. Instead Chelsea go also pay 11.3 million wey be remaining salary before Chelsea sack am. Chelsea they tell and say, oh boy, come here, we go the other room, go settle this thing. He say no, say no one settle am for the other room. Say he want settle am for court. Make Chelsea give am money. Chelsea now they talk say, oh boy, you sef, why we no one pay you this money since we say the way you been they behave for the club, you they behave like Agboro where they no give loading money. I say the way you do Diego Costa, say we not bad do am. You they come late to sponsorship party. You they even come press conference late. And say you dey park where you no supposed park. You go see Abramovich parking space. You go there, go park. Now why we no one give you this money?